Rum. Do you guys remember that one time I welded my seats into place? I do. Now I have to unweld them. But that's fine. It is an interesting situation trying to get my cars moved around the neighborhood. To get one car in the garage. We're a little spread right now. Oh, she looks so good though. Damn, that car looks good. Yo, these are nice.
I like these.
These have been sitting around my garage for like months now. I did actually originally get them for my Evo, but I realized I wanted the Recaros. How do they feel?
I like them.
I really like them. They're like a super aggressive like street style seat. Like they don't go up nearly as high on the waist.
I don't feel so claustrophobic in these.
These look really good. I really like them. D&D has the fat hookup for today's video. We've got a bunch of D&D stuff going in. I've been waiting for a few weeks to get their brackets, and now that I have them, I will have to shave this side of the bracket out. That's gonna be an interesting day. And then I've got to weld it back in because I don't have a way to put bolts in it. But we've got seats to install, and then you've got a steering wheel to install as well. Brings us another step closer to having an easier, better, more fun, more stable, safer track day. Another super exciting thing today is I get to finally put carpet back in the Z. We have kind of been on the struggle bus. Whenever I bought it, he like started ripping stuff out, and he's like, yeah, I'm gonna gut it and make it a project, whatever, something like that. And I'm like, oh my god. So we have the carpet, it's just chilling. I'm probably like 3/4 way bummed we're getting rid of these seats. These touring seats are extremely nice. They're kind of rare too, but they are worth a lot of money, and I will be able to sell them for a good amount of coin. I will definitely miss the seat warmers. It's about this time where I like to go under the seat. I like to play, what the hell can I find that some previous owner left in here? Definitely needs to give it a little suck. Remember when I found French fries in like a 20-year-old receipt in my Miata? Good times, bro. The part that sucks the most about installing seats is the test fitting. It fits great. I need to modify. There's one bolt that doesn't fit just right, so I'm gonna have to Christmas tree that out, but the seat needs to slide over this way. They're a little tall, but they feel nice, they feel comfortable. Damn, dude. Okay, check this out. Like, I've never seen, okay, wow. I've worked with a lot of crappy brands before, I'll admit that. This has to be one of the best, like, inexpensive seats and brackets I've ever seen. Like, these brackets and this, that's fully bolted in. These D&D seats don't bud. It is perfectly normal to have to modify seat rails. I bought Sparcos one time and I had to send them back 3 times because I didn't want to drill into a Sparco. Now I'm capable of doing it myself, so I don't really care. But they slide and they don't move. Got the seat belt in, so I have a 3-point. This is nice, dude. Now here we go. Don't want to have to do this one. We're gonna have to weld in the new one too. So I'm gonna probably have to like zip tie it together and then go to my dad's. We'll see.
I tell him to eat your lunch. I tell him to eat your lunch.
Here we go, boys. Best thing you'll see today. Not a single thread left in where the OEM thing goes. I don't even know how that was connected. I think they had something like underneath that or something to support it. But I'm gonna take my flapper disc and go ahead and clear some of this up for welding, and then I'm gonna clean it out, put the carpet back in, and hopefully we can weld a little bit with the carpet without anything catching on fire. That would be so nice.
Being hard.
She in? And guess what, boys? This is how she fits. I would die. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and zip tie everything. There's not a single place I can bolt this down. All right, it's now zip tied in and still sketchy, but moves a little bit less. My dad said he can't help me weld it till tomorrow, and I still don't have a welder here. It would be awesome to just be able to do that myself right now, but I don't have, you know, little apartment complex garage. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the steering wheel. This is one of those installs where I feel sorry for people if you don't have an extensive amount of tools in your garage, because this little thing sucks. And it's really annoying to have to go buy one of these. Sometimes you have to special order these heads, these little socket things, but I have the tools and I'm psyched. So I'm gonna get this piece of crap. Actually, it's not a piece of crap, but it's just not a custom wheel and it's not as cool. So before I start, I wanna go ahead and I wanna go over the little awesome things that we have found. Sorry about my hair. I found a dime. 10 cents, baby, all me, let's go. I found a little plastic clip of something that was probably supposed to be there when one of the lazy previous owners ripped something out. Got a nice penny. Take it away, penny! I got a sweet little flower, dude. It's an earring. So if any girl like lost your earring, you're not gonna get it back because I'm throwing it away. No French fries this time though. No French fries. Takes a T30H, which means hole in the freaking middle of it, a little titty in the middle of it, and it goes like kind of like a wheel key, except you don't be dumb like me. There we go. Oh my god. All right, well, I'll get it out eventually. Nice. Gotta get that guy out of here now. Piece of crap right here. So D&D just made this. This is actually their prototype. They sent this to me before anybody else gets one. So it's really cool. This is their new shorty hub for the 350Z. I actually have something else in the package as well that I'm going to show you another day. It's probably one of the coolest things you'll ever see. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with the carpet. Oh yeah, the carpet too, dude. I'll explain it to you guys later. But D&D hub. Now I'm gonna see if I mount this directly. To this. Oh, I think that's Gucci, dude. However, one thing right now is if I want to keep the wheel directly on the hub, I have to rotate it. Those holes line up, and I'm not finna drive it like this, which means I have to rotate the hub, which means I have to rotate the clocking behind it. I'm not sure if that's gonna screw anything up electronically, but I guess I can just disable that. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm gonna try and do it on the hub because if I do the quick release, it goes out another, like, how would you say, that's another like at least 3 inches, 4 inches, and that literally makes the wheel like right in my face, and I do not want that. So all right, I figured it out and I like it. I got some really cool black button head hardware from Dress Up Bolts, so I'm really psyched to be able to use these. It's actually the exact same ones I used for my Evo's body kit, but had some left over and they look so good. I like those better than the shiny silver ones. Give me a second, I'll tighten this down and we can show you guys exactly what all we've done today. All right, so it's a little darker in here now. We got a whole new interior going on in here. I'm not sure why the passenger seat is so tall. There might be something I can adjust, but it's like way, way tall. New wheel is tight, and hey, hold up. You guys should be proud of me. Old Evan would have made this video into like 7 different parts and 7 different videos. And now I got carpet conquered, I did seats, and I did a steering wheel all in the same video. Didn't make you guys watch 3 videos. What?
I've been inside the engine way more than I've actually been inside this car. So
I know.
I'm still like looking at, oh, that's that.
And you can scoot up too. It's got,
Oh, it has an adjustable.
uh-huh. Well, it's kind of like...
All right, bye.
Just trying to figure it out. Bruh, yeah, this is like center dash. He told us it would close. Maybe we can just take it out and put some gauges in there.
What if you got one of those kind of like what we've been watching on Jim Connett? How he has like the gearbox that you see what gear you're in.
Those are very expensive. Wow. Oh man. These seats feel so nice. Just going for a quick little spinny. Don't worry about that. It's tire rub. These are actually really comfortable racing seats. Like, they don't completely squish you in, and like, because whenever you're, let's just be honest, like when you're a dude and you have racing seats, it is like you're committed. When you're committed for that long of a trip, your balls are not going to like you for a long time. So it's really awesome. These seats feel really good. They're grippy, and I can't wait to drive. And I love the steering wheel position. I actually love the position that it's in, except for the fact that it is a little off to the left right now.
Don't stop.
Nice looking interior. I don't have a horn anyways. For some reason, my horn after rebuilding the motor
Oh, we never fixed it?
doesn't work. No, it just doesn't work. So you can't really get a horn anyways after this. And I've never smashed my face into a steering wheel, so I'm not worried about having an airbag anymore.
Well,
But
and if you're
never had an
drifting, you
airbag.
can't have an airbag.
It's true. Now I can tandem. Actually, that's true. Now I
That
can
was one of
tandem.
my biggest concerns at this last event.
She was like, "You have an airbag. You have an airbag. Stop tandeming." I was like, "I'm just gonna tandem anyways." But now, no worries. I can tandem. We're gonna get this welded in tomorrow. I got a couple things here and there. I gotta end up finishing up on the interior. But advice of the day. What am I gonna tell you guys today? I'll go for something. I could go for my typical stuff, but I'm gonna go for something. I did say this yesterday. Someday, you might look back and wish you were in the season of life that you're in right now. So be thankful for what you have right now in whatever situation you're in, because it might get worse. You might have a different situation that you don't like even more in the future. So don't take for granted everything going on right now. Don't take for granted, your family, your job, your lack thereof. Like, just make the most out of whatever you have, and it really, really helps benefit you and those around you. That's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.